Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Chase. So probably a shorter video today. Still recovering from COVID, but just wanted to put something out there. You could probably hear it in my voice. Telling you, man, that the shit hit me hard. Not gonna lie. I had the worst sore throat of my life. Insane fatigue. My smell and taste are gone. Um, yeah, man, it sucked, man. I can't lie, and it still does sort of suck. At least like the fatigue is fading. I mean, yeah, I'm still like taking a nap or two a day, um, but it's getting better. Um, yeah, it is what it is. Shit happens. I managed to dodge it for so many years, and eventually caught up with me. So, looking at Ethereum on the weekly here, just the way I'm viewing it, I just see, I saw the weekly make the move up, and then the weekly low here before we saw a bounce. I mark out that level, and just keeping it very simple. I see, no weekly closes below this low, right? So the weekly put in a high, the weekly put in a low before it bounced. And this was sort of our low here. We swept it, we tested it, we tested it, we tested it again. Now, you could say, well, the more times you test it, the more likely it is to break. That is a true statement. But at the same time, I look at it like this and I see, well, there should be liquidity to the upside that's untested, right? So if you put in a low and you put in a high, you sweep the low. We should at least sweep the high here. If you go down to the daily, could show you even more confluence. Are we not, equal highs here? Are we not going to sweep these equal highs? So we have this as a target. We have this as a target. Just painting or trying to paint a bullish picture here, at least the way I'm viewing it. And then also look at this buildup that you have here. You guys know how I draw these. When you typically have like a buildup of liquidity and none of the highs are above each other, right? Like if it looked like this and there was one final sweep before it moved down, that'd be way different. But it doesn't. It's just a lot of buildup of liquidity. So here you have a buildup of liquidity. So you have a buildup here. You have equal highs here. I mean, let's at least get into the above 1933. Let's at least get towards like 1940s, right? That would be fine. I'd probably take some profits on the long there. But yeah, I'd really be surprised. I felt like this whole area here was pretty obvious that we were, baiting short positions in here, getting people to short the breakdown. And I thought that was going to give us fuel to do this sort of weekly liquidity play that I had, shown you. This one. It's just, if you sweep the low, go take the high. And it looked like you were putting in a lot of work in here. Excuse me. I'm sorry. So yeah, I have to think that we work up towards at least the 1933s. That's how I see it. In a even better scenario, like I said, we come up and we take this 2023 liquidity into fresh resistance here. I know we have CPI, I think, and FOMC next week. Optimal scenario for me is this finally resolves. We wipe out all this liquidity at once, right? We wipe this out. We wipe out the equal highs. We wipe this out all the way into fresh resistance into FOMC. We short this, and we're looking to play it. We're looking to play it back towards the chop. That's the initial target, and then it probably consolidates and breaks down more. And I suppose this has to be my next area of liquidity that I'd be watching. Right in here. Okay, so run it up into FOMC, smack it back down, bounce it from there, and chop it up for a bit more for summer. I guess that's my thought process at the moment. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Big shout out to Prime XPTs for sponsoring these videos. If you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comments. Any likes, retweets, everything is greatly appreciated. Hopefully, I'll be coming back to you guys full strength sooner than later. Yeah, man, it is what it is, right? Shit happens. It sucks. Doing my best to get back on my feet and just do and get back into the rhythm of everything. Luckily, I haven't missed too much because this is mostly just choppy price action, not too much going on. All right, I wish you all well. Talk soon. Bye bye.